What up, man? It's your boy D Bonds back with another banger. D. What up, Snotty Nose Gang? Y'all already know what it is, man. It's your boy D Bonds back with another banger, man. Hey, listen, I got a special guest. DuBoy.
It's our homies.
My DuBoy. Listen, I'm not gonna lie. I'm so happy because I got my young boy with me. You feel me? So I just want to let y'all know something. All the knowledge that I know, he's gonna be the one for the next generation. The knowledge ain't gonna go to waste, baby. But understand something on this channel. It is about safety. Everything is about safety. Y'all know how Captain Bonds give it up. Without further ado, I got my boy DuBoy here. And guess what, man? We also got some products from TikTok. What's those products, DuBoy?
It is the solar panels. It gives you lights and power.
You feel me? So look, what we got from TikTok, it took like almost 5 days. This is a Golden Mate, and it's also by it's the LifePo 04 battery. Now these are pretty good. I heard about these, so I went with this one just to start off with. Yeah, we got this battery. We got a solar panel. We also got this from TikTok. This is a 100 watt, I guess, solar panel, bendable.
It's good though.
Yeah, what it came with, you got 4 suction cups.
See?
You put it through here, and you can stick it on the window or your car, your window. Like the joint is portable, get with the wave.
And it's stick on your hand.
Listen, it also comes with your 12 volt DC charger. You got your 2 hooks, and then you got your cables, your negative and your positive. We also got the solar charge controller. Now this right here,
it's important.
yeah, like he said, it's very important. This is gonna help you manage your battery, like the usage of power. Let me tell you something, that's the best thing you can do. You gotta learn the settings and things like that. So like I told y'all, I'm just getting into this. I ain't gonna show y'all a whole crazy video. Upload it tomorrow, but we're gonna finish recording more tomorrow, early in the morning, so we can have a fresh day. And everything is gonna be hooked up and different. So it's gonna be something that I'm doing on here. Kinda forgot. It came with these. Now, you got different ports and all of that, like iPhone, it got a Type-C, everything. You can plug it right on up to the solar panel. This right here. Hook up right to the back. Also hooks up to, you hook that up, it's supposed to turn red, and they'll let you know when it's good. Alright, so look, we're gonna set this joint up, you feel me? And we're gonna get busy. The first thing we're gonna do is unbox this bad boy right here. You dig what I'm saying? Right here,
Okay, guys.
Alright.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys, is y'all ready to see? Let's see. We have this. And we have this, so I can see fully. And this is the thing. And it's cool.
This battery, this is the Golden Mate model LFP1210. This also take 12 volts, and it's 100 wattage. So that's alright. It's pretty good. You might want to use the right solar panels because you can mess your stuff up. So everything that we got right here, it is cool. We're gonna do this part in the morning, but we're gonna do this battery. This came with it. I'm not gonna lie. You might want to update your parts, but it does get the job done. What does that do?
The solar charge controller.
There you go. See it.
See, it's this. Yes. So let's see it. And then, right? And look at this menu.
Yep, that's the menu. You know, it shows you how to work this thing. I know it has like 3 different buttons. No, it's not confusing. This is why I'm showing you stuff. Look, I know this right here. The first button is the menu. These other 2 buttons, they go up and down. You can't plug the negative with the positive. You stick the negative with the negative, the red with the red, the black with the black. This battery, it got these little hooks on here. You probably use a car battery. You're gonna step it up a notch. We ain't even charge it up or nothing.
Yes, same.
That's how you gotta do that. Nice and neat.
And careful to be careful on that.
Yep, be careful.
Okay, now.
Now you have to be careful with these wires until you get some different ones. Duboy.
Careful.
That's right. So Duboy, you always remember, red with the red, black with the black. Okay?
Yeah, I remember.
So 120 volts. I mean, you can't beat that, man. So like I said, man, with the solar panel joint, man, we're gonna want to wait until tomorrow. But let me get my little box. All right, y'all. So I had to go grab the little jukebox. You heard me? This joint on 8%. I just want to see if this thing is gonna plug up to this while it charges up. Now, if it does, that would be fantastic. I'm just gonna see if it works or not. We're gonna see if it works or not, right?
Yeah.
That's right. We're gonna put it in a 10.25. Charge that bad boy. Okay. So as y'all see, it cut it off, right? It cut it off, which is cool. See, turn off. See, I wish I could see it. Y'all can see it in the dark. I'm gonna turn everything back on. 56 volts. 57 volts off this battery. You dig what I'm saying? It's only gonna take 4 hours. That's nice. I don't care what nobody say. That's pretty dope. We're about to take this thing off. We're about to be back in the light. You see?
Wait, no.
We're back in the game.
Wait, that work?
So.
That's so cool.
Okay, so that's why I explained to Duboy. He sit and he listens. That's why I tell him, sit and listen. I'm very big on people paying attention. So when he doing this stuff, when he have his in his own room, he know what to do. He taking his own solar stuff, but he does it correctly. As y'all seen, that pulled out 57 to 56 watts as if you was using a Type-C plugged up in the wall. Not only that, y'all know y'all connect these more than one. Y'all can have like 4 connected together, and then you can have way more solar panels. That's pretty dope, if you ask me. I like to be the different guy. I'm here to show him different. Can't be the same as everybody else. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like that's why the world is lost today. If kids take more time learning stuff like this, educational stuff, trust me, it'll be a better place. But we got solar. It's something cool. It's something different. So by being different, it's nothing wrong with that. You have to be comfortable in your own skin. If you're not comfortable in your own skin, you need to do some reevaluation. With that being said, man, we're going to take these things off. Make sure y'all keep these separate. Do not connect them together after they even finish getting off. Keep them separate. Battery from TikTok, the solar panel, the solar charger controller. Connect these two together. Use this battery. Hook this bad boy up. Get more little pieces. So, and like I said, he going to be hands-on tomorrow, so it ain't going to just be me. But we ain't going to talk too much because we got more stuff to do. But listen, man, it's your boy D Bonds.
Oh, and Smokey.
Me, Lil Baby Smoke, aka Duboy. You know what I'm saying? So we back with another review. We're gonna catch up with y'all early in the morning. Well, what time is it right now? It's probably like 2 something in the morning. What time is it though?
It is. And guess what, guys? We got this hot, and we got jalapenos.
One of my favorites.
And guess what? We'll try tomorrow.
Show it. Hey, listen. I told them it was hot. Now y'all know how these kids is. They be like, oh, I want some. You sure you want some? You sure you want some?
I take spicy stuff, so I'm gonna eat it right now. Hungry. Oh, snap.
So crazy.
Onions. We plant this onions and this jalapenos. I got some jalapenos. Jalapenos.
It's your boy D Bonds, your boy Duboy. We're gonna see y'all in a couple hours, and we out.
Indeed.